Te kido ki kong maramulik sum kini hangi di jaka sa kidrio kum kesnong ba bet pe kani le hapok klau bet jelang ndan nak surok babun bulat hayeng badan arlai teli besar tu besar kani de pen khanai cowboy bet just bet
which is wonderful. And then I get to ride bikes. Yeah.
Shake it like you know it, baby. Come on and dance with it. Come on. Shake it like you know it, baby. Come on and dance with it.
Lem bagi hajar ngun kinong nyak thuk ngilami na jala banle chnagalan na bentak jing kendu kinong nyak bullet ke bahe tam hang ni notice. Pilawan page ke jing ya lenti na Shillong se Dimapur kini video bladap hang ni channel. Ban mentang ila temu ban lenyok sak ni jaka ke badan kuma ar jar ngut e kinong nyak bullet na keleng keri bat ke perthai. Pakan peniru ipi dan ayu hang ni jaka. Alright, parlok kani gas ni ka bangin ya lenyok syapo ani rem. Kani gas ni ka bakan sedang ka Rodis Rider Smith. Kau ini kiji kenulang ki bayi sebahe tam hang ni apa? Nodis ni dan hani ki parlok ni bro hai. Yes. Kani ang sin kaning kong ito ha. Oh, sibun na kiki mapa kani.
Abang tu. Ayo sanggut.
Finally, lafai jaka. Yes. Gitar ini. Oh, jangan semua. Kapelaru bos semua.
Bro, iklan lagi juga.
Thank you size seperti try support. Nga S ni small, S di sedung. Kani ri jaka ni habban ya entry show hang ni. Ti registration hang tai. Ti bat sayo gini gitar tung kita menir fake ti dang wan hang tai bona. Kidan la kunu kumba khat fast pangut ai bro fight kiban sawan. Ti kani ri jaka ni di kadang data registration ni haber basis ni support ban yo ban lek. Camping no, psnaten no, okay? Perlu ngiladan hang ni kani di ka venue kani di shopo ngilayo ban cam kani ka hang ni badu hentai dang penbet jam yang baik kumtu ter tingyo ban sna cam ni ten ni jonga tebar kita sete bikidan lagi jong bikidan ki club baik hang tai nang ta kidan ki bilang yawat jakar hang tu hi sadu sata kita ki ba ina ti ba snaten hentai sata rudan hang ni rudan sadu sata rudan ini sa kani kumbalais ni ai masalong dong set ni bhai kavi di sini ki bilang yawat jakar hi Ganon ni bi bawel kita ka begadon kalik hantai ta konser kadang long hantai tikitan senior kidon bilakan usin bilawan ayu well
First time I want
first time te para first time te khamsung show hi taruh khamsung hi odus le handiat kami badi ba miki pawa yang benar bulls kanu kilometer layar ba miki
empat layar RP
Hajar kilometer jazo here.
This is a time for me to release my stress from my business world and also to meet up my far friends. Say for example Mickey's from Shillong, I'm from Nagaland, and we finally met.
Badi ba ide winning supporter ki ba sikai bha joka channel joka bila jupe je bondli ki channel and I have a new subscriber here also. Thank you so much.
The next day.
Ani bi ba Willy. Yo. Dah mo panibi kaniat kani di jaka ka ba hiasa ki perlok. Bahe ba. Dan kini berang kremi hang ni de kido ki kong maramulik sum kini hang ni di jaka sa ki brio. Anta pensioner ki dong ki bikes ki ubon ba. Na bani itu bar kai pe kat ke skum ke snong ba ba. Sete de koi gedong sini koi gedong. Ni pe jing he. Situ na sini na kani hani bro khoi kade hang ni apa Dimapur di kani le hapo klau bet jelang ndan nak surok bal bro khoi jang ni di bawan ra di Royal Enfield bro khoi tin em tur bet salit panga dalam fish do spo klau sien khnau pi fini i ba kalong kumno kata bani wan sa bet ki bulat se klau Royal ni Royal Enfield ini nong nyali di kaya nong Royal ni
Loring kamera le boy.
nang ni begini kinongnya ki bahasa tar bahar isti penar kita di penar bulls baka bakam strat show kalau mang ikenu ya inong hikai jingi barem baza. Menu babun bulat hang ni. Babun bulat hayeng badan arlai teli. Sar tu kan. Kanu teli sar. Kanu teli. Biru dan arteli. Ini ki dei ki nongnya ki beserkai bahar ki na penar. Tebat gilek keleng-keleng. Ha asang ada peni video pas jongki em kenam hipin de itu la ki ya serum seneng ne. Oh ya nga. Yes, thank you Kulisbun. Kulisbun. Penar Bulls. Baik, Penar Bulls. Thank you sir. Ngadan hani but UAE ikong natin po US. I'm here with
Barry Thompson.
Barry Thompson from the US.
But I've been riding motorcycles for 51 years. I still have my first dirt bike, a 1970 Honda 70.
You still ride that?
I don't ride it, but it taught my children to ride when they were little, and it taught my grandchildren to ride when they were little.
I wish I have a bike like that, or maybe keep my bike as old as that and teach my kids and grandkids too. Kani di kejaka pemja perlok wifi ni dining hall bahe bala long musim itu ke na bentar jar mo di kelas 2 ila musim itu ibet di situ jaka song kani ke di kebam anu plan kani kemas dan ja dai kedok seniang naga kedok siar menin nge bam kebam naga mentasi kala kamlong mix kendiak limbas namo perlok hang ni borok lai sengi ki ba ki shong ki sa lai sengi sau sengi jan sau sengi mat jan dan lai men pe bad ka jakalik bar jakalik sume ke dam si jaka peningai pe kegatian tiap po ki pankana ki jaka sum bat kiwi ni kene de pankana kamera sum ka dan sa te silia kabuduk snong be borok khat cowboy be just spek kat sebelah jam dam bulat di Royal Enfield jap kijat ini di Jakarta dan perlok nga dan hang ni badi badeng badi balu hang ni kini de kibala travel ya ka stretch jong ka India jan borok ko ibadeng badi balu ni de na po riram ki experience kiba phi sa jeng kelmau tam hadu mentah
man ba phi ya ni kadon la ka jong sunat kadon la ka jong ka enjoyment ba phi le jeng le
isbu mentah pilade keleng ka India dan jingmut ban mi sabar na ka ribat
Hoi, nga arjar arpo kalau ada senang kalau ada plan ke Nainia itu pun plan ban lagi sepo Europe kacau ligiri sedang na Iran kemajar kan one of COVID tu untuk sebagai sponsor Melayu kan kementerian ada plan biang
international ride ni layak wan sa Nepal awan sa Kathmandu Pokhara Bhutan lawan
ngala kamu senang belanja
baik kita lain
la serta jingim juga ai kan tadi Kulisbun malu ba dia kajing sa ni fini palas ni la selesai
sa Kohima sa Kohima
it's fantastic, loving it. So, no, different culture, different feel, never been to the northeast before, so Nagaland I've been wanting to come for a long time. Love the food, sense of community, the pride of being Naga, which is wonderful. And then I get to ride bikes, yeah!
What do you think about Royal Enfield here?
I love Royal Enfield. Actually, years ago, I was lucky enough to go to the new Royal Enfield factory that's not so new anymore and take a brand new Continental, which they just manufactured, off the production line, start it up, ride it off. How cool is that? Yeah? So I like Enfield. But I must be honest, I do have a BMW and a Triumph. Sorry. I haven't travelled a lot on Royal Enfield. I mean, one of the trips that I really want to do, if anybody is a club member here, is I want to go up through Manali, you know, Leh, Ladakh, you know, and do that ride right up north from Delhi.
You will be staying
Not doing it this time. Not doing it this time. So hopefully next time I get to do it. So it's one of my kind of dream trips. But now I've been to Nagaland, maybe I need to do it. Just travel around the northeast. You know?
Lovely. So what's the best part that you seen here?
I haven't been here long enough. Two days. I think my impression really is just of seeing the Kisama, you know, the Hornbill Festival itself, which is really, I think it's really special. Yeah. And then we're doing more coverage over the next few days. So, you know, that's quite a special experience for me. And it's a short trip. It's only 10 days. So, yeah, it's just the start.
So you will be staying here in the camp for tonight, or?
Yeah, it looks like it.
Nice. Where will you be? Where you be?
No idea. Speak to my boss.
All right.
We'll see.
Thanks, man. Thanks. Really appreciate it. Have a good day.
Brother, one photo please.
Nilap ni ka bike hang ni tip di jong no tama ka bahit ha. Kadi ka way ni ki bike ki ba pher tam ki bang lai i. Ha ka ni ka jing lang jo ki bike car ni bro khat. But ka pher pha kadi ka way ni ki style ki jong a. Ke show ha ni show ha bang ma. Ngala up bang ni i kum kani ka bike sini nga pa ji menta sing lai. At least first notice India matang i hang ni. Ay, bang pala. Konser Rudan mo perlok, konser Rudan. Ihi, free konser. Bagus. Perlok kesungi ke bay le sound di station Shillong. Kelai pas du sini Nagaland wan le sound das depan Manipur. Ke enjoy ni mengata kasah ni baru benda. Enjoy. Pion meno. Ya, dang menen. Dia wan nakabat wan kali na benda. Kali. Sekali wan nakabat Hubert buat scam. Player ini di player sound. Perhat bila apa ikan notice bro kawai le sound dekat ba. Ya. Porok yang ni no mentan nang ni kudu sibun pi pen nadu pasdang du bekut ngadan nang ni bi badu hang ni kudu sibun badu ki wani lam ngas ni te demde no pi tengah kampai hira bat kini porok ni bedang yedon hang ni te nang ni sa kuma lai spa san pu lai spa pro kilometer ding ni no Shillong but ta kala enjoy bha kata ka wan sene ngam pajuan nu menuru but nang ni khmat ngan nang wan veg man gepor yes kanang ni sebun iki man bangla mede ka ring video tireni sekhmat tel tangawan ngan sa enjoy bahano sa simbentano ba kumi sibun yuni kulai ubala teman ring dang pai sini dei sa siya me wati ko iba kapor ko iba video mo kumi sibun perlo